Well, I got a load. It's a 5-stop load of, I guess, skid steers. I should have stayed in Sioux Falls instead of shooting out past there when I got irritated. I couldn't find a load yesterday. See, so I basically had to double back around back into South Dakota here, and went almost about 80 miles. It would only been maybe like 30 or 40 miles if I'd have stopped in Sioux Falls. So we're gonna pick up and then get the hell out of here. So I'll let you know what it's paying first, because my plans are to pick up a few partials on the way out of here. You know, I got, let's see, a stop in Indianapolis, stop in Ohio, 2 stops in PA, and then it ends in Kingston, New York. So it's like, I don't know, maybe 200 miles from the PA state border up in New York off of 87 there. So we'll see if I can't turn this into a $6,000 load or more. Who knows? You know, I have no problem picking up a few partials along the way. So, all right, stay tuned. When you get these, make sure you double check the VIN numbers and the serial numbers, just in case. It's because you're going to be the one that get blamed for it anyway. They write the last 6 on the window, so. Zero 03 101. 76339. All right, though, let's serial numbers are good. Always double check the VIN. I'll tell you that. I almost had that mistake once. Not about 50 So on a lot of these new machines actually have chain points. Just running the chain over. Since these are under 10,000 pounds, I don't have to since these are under 10,000 pounds, I don't have to have securement in each corner. I can run a chain right across or back over to the other side of the rail. So what I'm doing here is pretty much just running the chain over. I'm going through the pockets and this under the spools just to try to, because I don't want all this chain sitting out just hanging around and having to bungee it and everything. So pretty much I usually try to run everything up under the spools, or at least over a spool. I try not to put it onto the stake pockets, but like I said, this is a written hour, so I don't know. To me, that just seems like the truck's built, the trailer's built 10 times better than that utility I had. I just loop the chain around the stake pocket, around the spool, and, pretty much try to keep all the tension on the spools, as you can. Same thing all the way down. I just don't like chain flopping around all over the place, so I'm gonna put you down right now and show you feeding the chain through this one skid steer. Got full. I had to delete some stuff. Hope I didn't delete anything I freaking want. Just like that. That's how we do it. So I've been here probably about an hour and a half now. Got here at like 11:40. It's probably 1 o'clock by now, maybe a little after. So let's pick this up. Let's take a nice walk. I don't know how well this is gonna look because this ain't my normal thing for my selfie stick since I lost a screw for it. But here's the load. Just going down, checking it. pretty much as long as they don't like shake around a lot, you're good to go. So, you know, so I'll drive down the road about an hour and I'll get out and check all this. Like this. This is fine as long as it doesn't like fall off the side of the bed. As long as all this stuff's pretty short. Let's tighten this shit up. Now, for all this, your securement is allowed to be outside your rub rails, pretty much as long as the actual load isn't. Other than that, we're done here. I guess I'll pull out and I'll see you guys later.